Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Varnaka. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to practice Ardha katichakrasana. This asana is good to reduce fat from the side of your waist and also it stretches your spine. To practice, start with standing sthiti. Now inhale and raise your left hand up vertically. Exhale and bend to the right and maintain with normal breathing. Inhale and come up. Exhale and release your left hand. We'll practice the same on the right. Inhale and raise your right hand vertically up. Exhale and bend to your left and maintain with normal breathing. Inhale and come up. Exhale and release your hands and relax. If you found this video useful, like, comment and share, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram and Facebook.